Happy holidays, Chica Beauties. It's Mei-Lon.
Hi, Chica Beauties. Happy holidays. It's Toni, and we are so excited. We are actually together for the holidays.
All right. So we want to wish you and your family a happy holiday season full of laughter and joy. And we have some special announcements that we wanted to share with you.
Yeah, so we have officially launched 5 of our holiday sets that are available right now at chicabeauty.com. You will love them. One in particular I'm wearing is called Feliz Happy. It includes our Mija Red Bold Lipstick,
Mascara, our XXL, and a black gel eyeliner. So you need to get your hand on that one, but also, first time ever this year, you can now personalize your gift notes. So this is really exciting. Now you can just buy it online at chicabeauty.com and send it straight to your sister, your friend, your mom, whoever you want, and you can personalize it straight from our website. So we're so excited to share that feature and introduce it this year.
We're so excited again to be here together for the holidays, and we hope again you just have a safe and wonderful holiday. As we like to say here at Chica Beauty,
Get it, Chica!
Get Chica!